love of music and woodworking with the brand new do-it-yourself acoustic guitar kits from Grizzly. Grizzly is offering 3 acoustic guitar kits that incorporate beautiful woods not commonly found in other musical instrument kits. Choose from a quilted maple veneer, a fiddleback maple veneer, or a koa variant. Each kit comes with premium materials that are meant to feel good in your hands and sound nice on the ears. They feature a mahogany neck, a laurel fingerboard, a laurel bridge, and quality hardware. The quilted maple and fiddleback maple veneers are made with a basswood body, while the koa variant is all koa through and through. This kit comes with everything you see here, and Grizzly's step-by-step manual makes sure you build with confidence by clearly walking you through the whole assembly process. Whether you're a music enthusiast looking for a unique instrument, or a skilled woodworker seeking a fulfilling project, these Grizzly Acoustic Guitar Kits will satisfy both. Visit grizzly.com to learn more and to get yours today. And make sure you share your builds with us on social media.